Some other things that I really want to tackle is, as you can tell here in the frame, it's a lot of dirt. We're definitely gonna be using the brush quite a bit. Another thing that I'm gonna be doing is removing this 10 millimeters from all. I'm gonna start with the 10 millimeters. Clean them with some vinegar, so that way they're gonna be sitting for at least a day. And so this is gonna be, like I said, it's gonna be a 3-day process. And to prove that it's gonna be a 3-day process, I'll be changing shirts. I don't know what I'm saying. So then we're gonna find, so like I said, some vinegar here, and then use a plastic bottle since it's gonna be sitting. Coming back here, we're just gonna go ahead and start brushing off all this section right here, from this point to this point. We're gonna get a little brush that everybody made fun of me, and just kind of start scrubbing. I don't want to get too much water in here, just because there's a lot of electrical components that, even though the battery's not tied down, I just don't want to get things wet just yet. So I kind of want to just focus on the small little details, and then we'll go from there. Like I said, we're definitely gonna hit this up, this whole entire front end, and then we're gonna hit this side, and then we'll see how that goes. Like I said, there's that product. It's looking nice and clean. Let's get this little corner so we can see the difference, if there is a difference, which I think it's very easy to tell after something has been cleaned, especially since it hasn't been hit in a long time.